Hey there, it's Sam from Bikit. Today I'm going to show you how to install your LED strip lighting system on your bike. Let's get started. Alright, so to do this you'll need a basic pair of pliers, some hex keys, and of course the Bikit LED strip lighting kit. So let's see what's in here. Alright, so first we have 4 strips, 2 red ones and 2 white ones. You can recognize the red ones because they're actually, the LEDs are actually white, and the white ones, the LEDs are yellow when turned off. So that's how you recognize them. Then we got a bunch of connector cables. We have a short one for the back and a long one for connecting the front LEDs, and then we have a USB plug and connector, so that's how we connect the battery to the rest of the system. We have some zip ties to tie all the cables and LED strips onto the frame. We have the battery mount and 2 screws, and finally, of course, we have the battery and the battery charger. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to start with the back LEDs. These ones are red, and as I said before, you can recognize them because the LEDs are actually white. Right here. Okay. And in the back, you'll see that this is some adhesive tape, so you can take that off, and that's going to make it easier to stick it along the frame while you assemble it. Alright, I've taken off the adhesive and I've plugged in the small connector. You need to plug it in just to make sure that the height at which you place the strip is going to allow for enough cable. So I like to put it around here. This is going to work for me. So I can just stick it here. Doesn't have to be perfect yet. I can adjust it like this. There we go. And then I'm going to use the zip ties to secure it. We have 2 types of zip ties. There's a few long ones and a lot of small ones. So for this, I use the small ones. And by the way, so make sure you put the zip ties over these black pieces of plastic. That's going to protect the strip once the zip tie is tightened. Alright, at this point you can make some minor adjustments if you feel like you need to, but for me it's good. So I'm just going to use the pliers to tighten the zip ties. Okay, and now you can use the cutting parts of the pliers to snap off the excess. Okay, the next step is to secure the wires. So in the front, you want to make sure that you give enough space for the wheel to turn freely, so that it doesn't pull the wires too much. Once your wires are attached, you might need to adjust the length of them. So I've already went ahead and cut part of this wire so that the two wires here have more or less the same length. Okay, so here I've connected the wire coming from the front and the wire coming from the back together. I've tied them to the frame and also connected them together, the red with the red and the black with the black. And now we're going to attach this plug on the frame, and we're going to fit these wires into here. The red goes to positive, so plus, which is here on the right side, and the black goes to negative, which is on the left side. Like this. Red goes into plus on the right side and black goes into negative on the left side. Alright, after that you can attach the battery mount, which I've already done, and the final step is just to plug in the battery. Just snap it in and then use the connector and light her up. Nice. And that's it. And when you want to leave, all you do is take off the battery, and if you want you can take also this connector cable, but you can leave it there. And that's it. That's all you need to take. Just snap it back in when you're back. Alright. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little helper video. Let me know how I can improve it. I'll definitely be making a better one. In the meantime, if you want to get these lights, you can check out bikit.cc, and let me know how you like it. See you.